Hello garden enthusiasts! Today, we're excited to introduce the HONGLAND Outdoor Garden Solar Lights, featuring a charming Frog Swing Garden Decor that adds a touch of whimsy and vitality to your outdoor space. This unique design showcases a delightful frog couple holding a floret and playing on a swing with a welcoming sign, perfect for brightening up your landscape, patio, or yard. Powered by solar energy, these frog garden decorations absorb sunlight during the day and automatically illuminate your garden at night, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Not only do these frog stake lights serve as a charming welcome sign, but they also function as pathway lights, with the swing design allowing the frogs to sway gently in the wind, adding dynamic movement to your garden. Installation is a breeze with its simple structure. Just connect the stakes and push them into the ground to secure them. This lovely and practical frog solar decorative stake light makes an excellent gift idea for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, bringing joy and a touch of nature to your loved ones' gardens. So, why not share this delightful garden accessory with family and friends and let them enjoy the enchanting view of their garden day and night? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.